Today, I'm not making our regular breakfast. I wanted something quick, different, and still very satisfying. So I went with this flavorful sauce paired with sweet fried plantain. Look at the color already. This is how you know it's going to taste good. The plantain is perfectly golden fried soft. While the sauce is slightly spicy.
Sauce and fried plantain.
Honestly, this is super simple. If you have never tried sauce and fried plantain like this, you are seriously missing out. I urge you to try it and thank me later.
Palm oil.
Because it's very tasteful, mouth-watering, and very delicious. And everybody in the house who had a taste will surely come back for more.
Tomatoes and pepper.
Just watch to the end and see how all this is going to come out together. Trust me, after watching this video, if you try it, you are going to enjoy it. Hi, my name is Azaya Ebele. If you find this video very useful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more recipes. Without taking much time, let us start our cooking by preparing our sauce. Please don't skip so that you can see the final result of this beautiful breakfast.
Onion. Salt. Tomato paste. Sardine.
Is it working like that?
Seasoning cube. Plantain. Fried plantain. Wow. Isaiah Ebele. For
Thank
watching.
you.